Oh my God!
Really huge.
Getting big fireworks here. Like, whoa. 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 Whoa, it's going straight in the river.
Yep.
Whoa.
Ah, your flash went. Whoa,
I turned it on.
Streaks. There we go.
Wow.
Oh wow, those are bright.
Those are bright. Oh. Wow. I'm going to focus there for a minute, but it focused in. Whoa. Boom. Dang.
They're really up there.
Those are really high.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Whoa. Whoa, everybody's screaming.
Oh my gosh, there's more.
Oh my God.
You can hear them all being fired. Like
Bum, 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 bum.
must be finale.
Finale. Whoa.
Hear the window frame rattling.
Yeah, the window frame is rattling in the window. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, I know. Whoa! Holy crap! Oh, that's awesome! Oh my God! Dang, that's impressive.
These guys can really go all out.
Woo! Listen.
That's sweet. Everybody's cheering.
That's incredible.
All right. Well, that's
Wow.
fireworks from Spokane.
Fireworks from Spokane.
First 4th of July together.
Our first 4th of July together. Here we go. Matthew and Eric